This is the pile that I have taken out. Most of it is gender neutral. Today is January 8th and we are headed to Home Depot. Are you gonna help us get the room ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yay.
There's one right there. The trim is done. Now. Whoa. Looks so good on camera though. It's so white. One wall done. Now we just got to finish the rest of the room. But so excited. It's gonna look so good. Up next is painting this nightstand. Hey, are we gonna have a baby brother or a baby sister?
Why?
Why? I'm just curious. What do you think? Is it gonna be a brother or a sister? Brother? Oh, okay.
My hand. Mommy, my hand.
Mm-hmm. Bashy, did you lock yourself in the car? It unlocked! Daddy did it! Yay!
No. Door.
No, let's get out of the car. We're going inside.
No.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, so we got the first coat done. And this wall is done. And this wall, it's dark outside and the light doesn't work. But this wall has a second coat. And you can really tell, if it'll focus, like on that corner, the difference of like how white it looks versus how splotchy this side looks. So Zach is on the way to the store because we ran out of paint. He's gonna get the paint and we're gonna finish this up tonight so that it can dry tonight, and then in the daylight tomorrow we can get a better feel for how it's actually gonna look, because like I said, that's all splotchy. And then yeah, so tomorrow we will see what we get into. I want to get the furniture put together, and we painted this, which I'm really excited about. But yeah, I want to get all these boxes put together, so coming along.
shuffle.
It's one piece of furniture.